Buckle up, these wonders are nature's greatest disappearing acts. From ice to blossoms, these 5 places transform like magic. Let's count down. Autumn turns these forests into a wildfire without the fire. For 8 weeks, the Dutch countryside becomes a living paint palette. These caves vanish every summer, only to rebirth in winter. Winter freezes thousands of bubbles mid-escape, like nature's snow globes. For 2 weeks each spring, Japan's rivers turn into pink highways. Which season's magic is your favorite? Comment. Subscribe to chase Earth's fleeting wonders before they vanish.